Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best squat rack with a pull-up bar for your home gym. The RitFit All-in-One Squat Rack PPC02C. If you've been searching for a serious upgrade to your workout setup, something compact, versatile, and built like a tank, this could be your final stop. Let's explore why this power cage deserves a prime spot in your home gym. First off, construction. This isn't your average flimsy home equipment. The PPC02C is built with high-grade steel, featuring 50mm by 50mm uprights and extra reinforcing plates. That combination not only delivers top-tier stability but also gives the rack a rugged, commercial-grade feel. And don't let the size fool you. This cage fits well into compact home gym spaces with its footprint of just 43.66 inches in length, 55.26 inches wide, and a total height of 82.12 inches. Yet it's still rated to hold a whopping 1,000 pounds. That's enough for even the most advanced strength training routines. Now, this rack isn't just about squats. RitFit loaded this model with features that cover nearly your entire strength training regimen. You get a full lat pull-down system with high and low pulley setups. That opens up a world of back, shoulder, arm, and core exercises. Think lat pull-downs, triceps push-downs, curls, rows, and more, all in one footprint. It also includes a dip bar attachment, so you can hammer chest and triceps dips without needing a separate station. There's a landmine attachment for barbell rotation exercises, perfect for explosive movements and core work. The pull-up bar comes standard, no extra purchase needed, and is multi-grip, which is great for targeting different angles of your upper body. The rack also supports tons of additional attachments if you want to expand later. And speaking of versatility, the 1-inch hole spacing throughout the uprights lets you customize J-hooks and safety bars to your ideal height with ease. RitFit provides detailed instructions, and most users get this up and running in under 2 hours. Once built, the cage feels solid and wobble-free, even during heavy lifts or high-momentum exercises like pull-ups and rows. One thing worth noting is that this particular model, the red-only cage, does not come with weight plates or barbells by default. But if you want a full package, RitFit offers bundled options with bumper plates and barbells in 230 or 340 pound sets. That can save you time and money, especially if you're building your gym from scratch. If you're a beginner looking to grow your training setup, or an experienced lifter needing a multifunctional centerpiece in your garage gym, this rack hits the sweet spot. It balances price, durability, and feature set better than most power cages on the market. In terms of pricing, it's very competitive. The standalone rack typically sits around $359.99, while the full packages go up to $14.99 or more depending on weights and accessories. But even at the higher end, you're getting a complete strength system with commercial build quality that can easily last for years. To sum it up, compact footprint, massive 1,000-pound capacity, pulley system, dip station, landmine, and a sturdy pull-up bar, all integrated. Whether you're training for strength, hypertrophy, or just staying fit at home, the RitFit delivers. That's our deep dive into the RitFit All-in-One Squat Rack. If you're serious about investing in your fitness, this rack might just be the smartest move you make this year. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more no-fluff reviews of top-tier home gym gear, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.